How to change your Bluesky handle. Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily change your Bluesky handle or your username. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. On that note, let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Bluesky application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. So typically you will find your edit username option right here, but it's not available on Bluesky. So what you need to do in order to change your handle is go to your home section again. Now from here at the top left corner, you will see the hamburger menu and then tap on settings. Once your settings is open, all you have to do is tap on account and here you will see birthday, password, and handle. Just tap on handle and if you want to enter your new handle here, you can do that. And once you do that, you can enter your handle here, but you just have to know that your handle has to be available because every handle on Bluesky is unique. Make sure that you enter a unique handle and then you should be good to go. So once you enter your handle, you can just tap on save and your handle will be changed. And if you have your own domain, you can verify it from here and then use your domain as your handle on Bluesky. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.